So this topic is totally unrelated to TikTok shop and TikTok and all that. But I wanted to show you my beautiful son. He is my fifth child. His name is Kai. And today is his last day of chemotherapy. He was diagnosed October 15th of 2022 with leukemia, BALL. And his last day, BALL. His last day of treatment officially is February 7th, 2025. So when we first started, we thought about February 2025 was like, oh my God, it was such a long time, but we're here. Kai is cured. Kai no longer has cancer. All his scans, all his blood work, everything comes back normal, great. He tolerated the chemotherapy very well. His body responded. And today's the last day of his chemotherapy. So today's the last official day that he will take his medication. He usually takes 1 pill a day. So I want Kai to tell you how he feels and how he has felt, right? So how do you feel that you first tell them how you felt when you were sick? You remember when you couldn't walk and when your hair fell? You remember when we were in Florida and we had to go to Joe DiMaggio?
Well, I didn't remember that I didn't know how to walk. Actually, I did maybe. I don't know.
Okay. And then?
And then my hair started to get loose, and then my hair fell out, and then I grew up more hair.
Okay. Okay, so how do you feel now? There's no more medication, and we're taking out the port on Monday. No more port.
Wait.
Remember? It's on Monday, February 10th.
3 more days.
Yes, okay, put your hand down. So he does have a port. I'll show you.
No, wait, I
Okay,
got it.
all right, show them. He has a port right there.
It will look like that.
So his port is going to be removed, and he is officially going to be able to play sports, go out and be a normal kid, basically, which he has been a normal kid lately, but it's just now it's like a little bit more carefree. So how do you feel?
Good.
You feel good? Tell them, I want you to tell them, like, what is your experience when you go to the doctor's office? How do you feel?
What's experience?
Like, how do you feel when you go to the doctor?
I don't really know.
Okay. All right. So, since you don't know, I can tell you every time we would put the cream on. In the beginning, he was terrified of them putting the little butterfly. Butterfly is just like the little needle that, it's like the IV. Now he's a pro. Like they stick him. He's used to it, and he's fine with it. So now he's not gonna have that anymore. He is gonna have monthly checkups just to make sure that he is okay. That his immune system is recovering the proper way. But we are very happy, right? We are very happy and very grateful to God, right? We pray every day. Papa Dios.
Not every day we pray.
Not every day, but I pray every day. But show them, Papa Dios, cuídame. So I just wanted to give you guys that little update. Today's a wonderful day. We have been waiting for this day for a long time, and the day is finally here. And he lost a tooth. And the tooth fairy gave you what?
$10, and now I have $31 because last time I had $20. Because I have $15 and 5 more.
So how you got 31? 20 plus 10 is not 31.
Yes, it is.
20 plus 10 is 30.
No, 10.
Oh, you have another dollar somewhere?
No.
So, so just wanted to give that little update about my son. And if you guys have any questions, if you guys are battling with anybody in your family with cancer, please just pray and stay strong and give your loved one that support. And if you're the one going through it, just know that God got you no matter what. God got you. So just stay strong and let your spirit guide you. Be happy. Enjoy every single day on this earth. Every day that you wake up, enjoy that. So leave me your comments. Send your well wishes, send your prayers. If you guys have any also recommendations of how to boost the immune system after cancer and all of that, please send them my way, because I've been doing research about that as well. So we want to say bye now, right? We'll see you in TikTok, right?
Yeah, we see you in Tuesday, because that's my school day.
Okay. Yeah, he's going back to school on Tuesday. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye. I like this.
Okay.